Hi viewers, I'm Dr. Ruchira, dental surgeon at Eledent Hospitals. We have two branches, KPHP and in Kondapur. So today I'm going to discuss with you why aligners or invisible braces are more expensive compared to anything else. Usually nowadays what has happened is people have been seeing a lot of different advertisements coming from the corporate sector or coming from various social medias where they say that we come home, take your scan and give you braces or say give you aligners. I personally do not try to recommend any of my patients to fall for any such scams or say any such of products, because when you have to get your aligners, firstly you have to visit a dentist to make sure that your teeth are properly cleaned to get a proper scan. And supposingly if you tend to have a cavity, it has to be filled before your treatment starts. And each time when you go for a treatment, make sure that you have an orthodontist who is present. Please do not fall for anything very fancy. It is okay to fall for fancy things when you have to go to a salon or say to any other fancy restaurant, but please do not fall for such things when you have to do your dental treatment. Because if tomorrow's date, if something goes wrong with your braces or with your aligners, the person who is responsible will not be available. You have to make sure that you have an orthodontist who is constantly there to check on your appointments. If tomorrow's date you have to get your tooth extracted, you do not have to, think of where to go for it or how to do it. If you happen to be going to a regular dentist, you can always reach them and we can always remove or extract the tooth if the treatment is required, if your tooth has to be removed for your orthodontic treatment to go on. But whereas if you have somebody who comes home, takes your scans, goes back and gives you the trays, they are not held responsible, and then they will as well as not be responsible or not even try to be answerable to you when something like that happens. But when you visit a dentist, you are responsible, and we are responsible to make sure that whatever happens is under the consultation of an orthodontist. That is how you can know that your treatment is completed successfully. But whereas now, that is why we tend to say that it is more expensive than normal braces, because aligners do not involve only coming home, giving you a scan and then you can go back and use it regularly. No, that's not how it's going to work. You have to make sure you visit your dentist, and your dentist then hires an orthodontist or calls their consulting orthodontist to make sure that your teeth are well aligned and to see how your upgrade is or how well your teeth are reacting to the tray that has been given to you, and how often you have to keep visiting to get it checked over and again. And throughout your treatment, we are responsible and we are answerable to you and making sure that your treatment goes on very successfully. But that doesn't happen in the corporate sector. So my personal request to all of you all is, please do not fall for anything like that, and make sure that you visit a dentist. You don't have to come to me, or you can go to any clinic that is close to you if you are planning to start on Invisalign. Invisalign is a brand, whereas we call it as aligners. So make sure you visit a dentist. Thank you.